right, let's take a look at number 9. Based on this diagram of JK, let's see if these statements are true. Do you believe that JM is equal to ML? Well, this is false. There is no ML. This is MK. Is M the midpoint? That is true. The reason why is, did you notice JM is congruent to MK? Right? Those are the congruent marks. M has to be the midpoint. Is x equals to 4? Well, that is if we plug it in and solve. Let's see. Jm is equal to 7x plus 5. That equals to 8x. So minus x to both sides. 5 is equal to x. Oh, that is false. X is equal to 5. Jm equals to 40. Well, let's figure out what Jm is. Jm is equal to 7x plus 5. So plug in 5 for x. So this is 35 plus 5. This equals to 40 for Jm. So that is true. Is it true that 7x plus 5 plus 8x equals to 180? Well, this only works for angles. These aren't angles, so this is false. Okay, this is not angles. So that's wrong. Is Jm plus 8x equal to Jk? Yeah, because Jm is this piece plus Mk should be the entire thing of Jk. But we know Mk is 8x. That's why it's true.